Hello, friends. What is freedom in your life? Freedom is the choice to live your life doing what you want, to live where you want, to eat by choice, and to learn what your heart desires. It means that freedom can apply to different aspects of life, and that freedom is not an absolute term. Freedom is about ensuring respect and not living free. Why is freedom important in our life? Freedom is a condition in which people have the opportunity to speak, act, and pursue happiness without unnecessary external restrictions. Freedom is important because it leads to enhanced expressions of creativity and original thought, increased productivity, and an overall high quality of life. What is the role of freedom? One of human basic needs is freedom that plays central role in social process. Human development means to expand human choices, which it required to freedom concept. Also, the freedom is caused to maximize social welfare by providing fairly income, distribution, and political and social freedom. How can I get freedom in my life? 3 steps to achieve personal freedom. Step 1. Create awareness. Never feel like you have to do something. We all have these false stories in our heads. Step 2. Give up what's causing you. All this stuff sounds easy. Step 3. Plan for freedom. Wishing, hoping, wanting, talking. It's all useless without action. What are the main freedoms? 4 freedoms: freedom of speech, freedom of worship, freedom of want, freedom of fear. What makes a person free? A free person will ignore negative judgment from others because they know what's best for themselves. They also avoid handling too much power over to people with overbearing and forceful personalities. Free people don't give in to peer pressure and meaningless obligations that don't benefit them. What does freedom feel like? However you define it, freedom is a feeling that doesn't last. So don't try to catch it or win it. It's like jumping to grab hold of a balloon before it flies away. Freedom is a series of decisions we make every day, big and small. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, so do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, friends.